Do you want a level 3 on your Content Mastery Series for fundamentals? Yeah, that's what I thought. So just keep watching this video so you can do just that. Hey squad, what's up? Okay, if you're new to my channel, I'm Andrea Phoenix. Become a squad member, guys. You know you want to be part of this. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you turn the notification bells on so you know when I post. My Instagram is linked below right there as well, and all my other socials. So find me on your platforms so that I can meet you. So today, I have for you a nursing video. As you guys know, I am a nursing student, and so I want to do my best to help you guys succeed in all that you do. And if it's nursing, then you know, I'm your girl. I'm here to help you guys. Because if I succeed, you succeed. So I share all my little tidbits and secrets and tips and things that I did to help me pass. Now, personally, I got an 83.7% on my Content Mastery Series, fundamentals, final, midterm, test, whatever you want to call it. I got an 83.7%. I got the second highest grade in my class, and sadly, I was 2%, only 2% away from being a level 3. Now, you guys, I was so pissed being that close to getting a level 3 and not getting it. So I'm gonna share with you some things that I did and a couple things that I didn't do that I'm pretty sure will get you to that level 3. And so here's what I did to study. These are the exact things that I did to study. This book, this one right here, yeah, this is going to be your best friend. I legit read this entire book. I may not have highlighted everything in it or a lot of it, but I really did read and answered every single question in this book. That helped a ton. Obviously, it says Content Mastery Series for fundamentals. So, where do you think all the answers come from? Hello. All right, read my ass off, and there's no reason that you guys can't do the same and get the best possible grade. Now, I am going to tell you that this test is not easy. It is hard, and more than half of my class did fail on the first round of taking this test. Thankfully, on the second round, even though it was harder, my classmates, most of them did pass. Some still didn't pass, but that's okay. So read your book and make sure you read it. There's also a Quizlet out there. I don't have the link to it or anything like that, but it has a ton of Content Mastery Series questions, and I went over those and over them and over and over and over again. Basically, for this test, all I did was read that book and answer like probably 700 questions worth of fundamental stuff. I just went over questions time and time again. And there's a couple other things that you can do as well. Since the Content Mastery Series is, can't even find it. Okay, is ATI. When you have the ATI online, do the adaptive quizzes for fundamentals. Say that again.
Do the adaptive quizzes
for fundamentals, because it helps, guys. It really, really does help. The more that you guys get used to questions, how ATI asks them, how they rationalize them, and just picking the answers from the options that they give you or the select all that apply, you have to understand how they ask questions. Go through multiple questions over and over and over again, different kinds, because they'll ask the same thing like 10 different ways. Okay, maybe not 10, but you know what I mean. They'll ask it in multiple different ways just to trip you up. So I recommend that you constantly go over questions to practice for this test, or to study for this test. The last thing that I wish I had on that content mastery fundamentals, which I didn't have, but I will have for my last term in school, is the Saunders book. Now, yes, this one is for PN because I'm an LVN student, but nonetheless, for fundamentals, it's all the same for LVN or RN, it doesn't matter. So this book is absolutely amazing. I just started reading it because I'm about to start OB and maternity, so I'm, reading ahead, guys, or at least making myself more familiar with OB and maternity. So for fundamentals for content mastery, this explains a lot, and there are some rationalizations in here for different things. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, like right there, like number 23. It says rationale. So this book is amazing, and I really wish I did have it for Content Mastery Series or for Fundamentals, period. But I didn't, so it's okay. I still passed, and I just want you guys to pass this Content Mastery Series and get a level 3. Unlike me, but I was only 2% away. 2%, not even 2%, guys, like 1.3% away from getting a level 3. Tear. But it's in the past. I'm good, and I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys. Well, that's all I have for you for today, guys. I hope that you heed my advice and take the knowledge that I have dropped on ya and get that level 3. I know you want that level 3 because I know I did, and I tried. So close, yet so far, but it's okay. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you in the next one. Comment below. Let me know if you want more nursing videos. Let me know how I can help. Okay, bye guys. Love you.